Less than a century after the founding of Scottsville, Kentucky, and when her new courthouse was only 3 years old, property west of the public square was parceled off for development in 1906. J.M. Braswell, postmaster at Adolphus, purchased lots number 4 and 5 on what would become West Main Street for the hefty sum of $300. Mr. Braswell would die just months later, but the land was inherited by one of his sons, Garland Braswell, a local lumberman, who built the home that stands there now. This is one of only 2 properties with double lots, providing room for a driveway onto Main Street. Take a look at 410 West Main Street, Scottsville, Kentucky.